No, you have to pull it before you lock it. Pull it until to such you ask the client whether it's no. Pull it further. You talk to the client.
Okay.
Ask, is that the best size for you?
That's right.
It's very tight.
It's very tight.
Okay.
I said it's very
Good.
tight.
She
She's
made
tight
it
for
more
you.
tight.
Okay, good. Fine. That's good. That's
Yes,
okay.
now it's
Okay, so now
Hey, you are standing that side.
that's
Yes, yeah. Then you hold this side and you tell, I want you to help me to stand up.
I want to help you to stand up.
At the count of three. At the count of three. I want you to help me to stand up at the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Go.
You're not resisting.
I can't move. No, it's okay. Okay. Now I'm going to help you to stand up. So.
At the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. Go.
And you have to. Then you're walking on the weaker side.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit behind. Walk. You walk.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Now you have to turn. You have not. You're not standing at the back. Turn. Let him or her turn to face you. The client has to face you.
Okay.
Okay. Scoot back and sit down at the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
The task is completed. Remove the gate belt.
So you sit down. You're heavy, you know.
Okay, Daphne, can you help Faith?
It's not like that. It's not supposed to stand up.
Okay, Daphne,
Yes, sir.
you're gonna do it on Faith.
For me, not me. Oh.
Let's sit down.
Hey.
You sit down.
Okay.
Yeah. Sit down. Oh.
Hello, Miss Faith. How are you today? I'm going to help you to stand up, okay? So let me just put this down on your waist. Ah, but I was being realistic. I was
Just like this. Like a robot.
Talk to the client. Hey,
Okay. Is it okay? Should I tell me if it's too tight? Is that okay?
Okay. Then you put a little bit tight.
A little bit tight? Or is that okay now? Does it feel good?
It's good.
Okay. Now I'm going to get you up, okay? In the count of 3, then you're gonna stand up with me, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm going to walk you to the chair, right?
you're walking a little bit behind the client.
Or not in
Yes.
Like this, yeah.
Uh-huh. Then
let's move you slowly. I'm holding you.
Chicken.
Going. You're almost there. Okay?
okay, let her now turn to your side.
Around.
Scoot a little bit back.